Hello and welcome to the workshop. Today's video I'm going to start off with a complaint and I'll show you what I mean. A few months ago I fitted a new hard drive into this computer and I reloaded all my general programs into this computer again to get ready to start making videos in the spring of which we're just coming into. And I had a rude awakening. I'll show you what I mean. So here's Lightburn and we shall open it up. I'll zoom you into the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. Yes, this little box has come up informing me that my license for the program is no longer valid because I have replaced the hard drive and now they want more money out of me. It quite plainly states my license is valid but not for this updated version of the program. That is extremely rude and I don't agree with it, so I shall not be using Lightburn anymore for my laser videos because it's not right. So if someone from Lightburn would like to get in touch with me and put this problem right, that would be a move in the right direction, I think. Anyway, so I'm going to show you a program now that does work.